Live on the tone in less than 5. Course is still hot here. 90 seconds in, 30 seconds still to go. Ooh, midair right before the start finish gates. Man alive. Apparently that was Madere being mid-aired right before the start finish. We started with 7, which we like to see. We're down to 2. We don't like to see that. Maybe down to 1. We're down to just 1. That's Madere, I think. I'm not sure if he was involved in that mid-air, but it doesn't matter. Reigning Sebring champ, gonna bring it home. There's the ding. It'll be 3 laps in 2:04, which is pretty decent right now on our books. 3 laps 2:04 for Madere. I don't think that is improvement for him. I think he was better earlier.